Counting 1 to 9. I have a lot of toys. Can you help me to count them? Let's count and read. 1. One teddy bear. 2. One aeroplane. Two aeroplanes. 3. One block. 2 blocks. 3 blocks. 4. One car. 2 car. 3 car. 4 car. 4 cars. 5. One toys. Second toy. Third toy. Fourth toy. 5 toy. 5 toys. First toy. Second toy. Third toy. Fourth toy. 5 toy. 6 toy. 6 toys. First blocks. Second blocks. Third blocks. Fourth blocks. 5 blocks. 6 blocks. 7 blocks. 7 blocks. 8. One football. Second football. Third football. Fourth football. Fifth football. Sixth football. Seventh football. Eighth football. 8 footballs. 9 trucks. First truck. Second truck. Third truck. Fourth truck. Fifth truck. Sixth truck. Seventh truck. Eighth truck. Ninth truck. 9 trucks. Concept of 0. How many apples are there on that tree? There are no apples on that tree. There is no apple on that tree. It means there are 0 apples. 0 means nothing. Try yourself. Think how many fingers do you have? Count and read. 0. One mango. 2 mangoes. Counting. Let's count the object and read. 0 object. 1 watermelon. 2 first mango. Second mango. 2 mangoes. 3 first candy. Second candy. Third candy. 3 candies. 4 first jelly. Second jelly. Third jelly. Fourth jelly. 4 jellies. 5 first cake. Second cake. Third cake. Fourth cake. 5 cake. 5 cakes. 6 first pumpkin. Second pumpkin. Third pumpkin. Fourth pumpkin. Fifth pumpkin. Sixth pumpkin. 6 pumpkins. 7 first dates. Second dates. Third dates. Fourth dates. Fifth dates. Sixth dates. 7 dates. 7 dates. 8 first donut. Second donut. Third donut. Fourth donut. 5 donut. 6 donut. 7 donut. 8 donut. 8 donuts. 9 first orange. Second orange. Third orange. Fourth orange. Fifth orange. Sixth orange. Seventh orange. Eighth orange. Ninth orange. 9 oranges. Count the object and write in numerals and words. 0 0 0. 1 ONE. 2 TWO. 3 footballs. THREE. 3. 4 aeroplanes. FOUR. 4. 5 ladybugs. 5 FIVE. 5. 6 butterflies. 6 SIX. 6. Seven. 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 Eight razors. Eight. 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 The end.